to fix Windows 10 activation error 0x803FA067. So let's get started. First of all, check the edition of your Windows. In many cases, you won't be able to activate Windows if you have upgraded using the wrong version of Windows. Right-click on Start and pick System, then scroll down to the Windows specifications, then check the Edition section. Then, another method is Update Windows. Make sure that all the latest Windows updates are installed. Type updates in the Windows search and press Enter, then click Check for updates and wait. If available, install all the optional updates as well and restart your PC. Now, the other method is use Command Prompt to activate Windows. Type CMD in Windows search, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When User Account Control shows up, click Yes. Once Command Prompt opens, copy and paste the command and press Enter. If a product key was used on your system, open Command Prompt as Administrator and restart your PC and see if the problem persists. Lastly, activate by phone. Press Windows plus R, type SLUI4 and press Enter. In the new window, select your country and press Next. This should provide you with a local support number. Pick up your phone and follow the provided instructions. You might need to provide some information about your Windows license. To acquire it, open Command Prompt as Administrator and type in slmgr.vbs/dlv command and hit Enter. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.